What's up, guys? I'm logging into my account at HankoTrade. I want to log out on the video live so you see that I'm actually logging into a live account. Go. Let's get it rolling, baby. Hope everybody's good tonight, man. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. From my family to your family, man. Appreciate all you guys. Okay, we're going to go to trading terminals. I want you to see here, it says Hanko X Live, Hanko X Demo, Hanko X iOS, Android. I'm logging into the Hanko X Live one. I should be logged in already. But it's the live version. Okay, now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to portfolio, I believe. And it should pull up right there. I want to put it on 6 months. This is 6 months because I made another video, guys, that covered all last year. Okay, I went back 12 months in that video, and I made it on the first of the year. Okay, so now this is the follow-up. I'm going to do this every 6 months now. Okay, this is my account. You can see it steadily going up, right? You can see here a lot of drawdown. This is when the tariff started, guys. Right here, I got in a lot of drawdown, but I traded my way out of it. But I'm always carrying drawdown, and I'm going to show you why. But more important, guys, is this. Okay, you see I take a lot of trades, but my win rate, okay, it's 98. See, trades won, 98.24%. Trades lost, 28, 1.76%, guys. Okay, let me show you my profitability. This just shows you the trades that this shows every trade for every pair. Okay, I got it blown up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to slide it back and forth to show you. Okay, if you see here, this is how many trades on the pair, how many won, how many lost. Okay, so we're going to go through this a little. We're just going to show you some of the ones with the most trades. Shoot, let me go to like NAS. There's NAS, right? Okay, 277 trades. 271, I lost 7. Okay. US 30. Next up. Let me get rid of this. It's in the way. US 30 right here. Okay, 170 trades. I won 169 and lost 1. Crazy, right, guys? Come on, man. And gold. Right? Those are the 3 pairs we mainly trade. We trade anything if I see an opportunity. Okay, guys, I trade every day live at 9 o'clock. Like the video and subscribe, man. Come trade with us. I'm going to show you a trade we took the other day. I'm in a trade now, but it's just coming into profit now. But I'll show you the one I took the day before that closed, full profit. And you could go back and look at the live stream and see the same exact thing I'm showing you now. Okay, this is gold. I took 161 trades. I won 160 and lost 1. Crazy, guys. Well, let me go to the chart now. I want to show you how we trade. Okay, we trade with a small lot size. Okay, no stop loss. Okay, I recommend a 0.01 for every $1,500 to $2,000 if you want to trade with us. If you've never traded before, guys, and you're just starting out and you want to learn how to trade, you want to trade the way we trade, you're welcome to join us. Okay, you could join the broker. I'll put the broker link that I use below this. And you can click there. You can open a demo account if you want, or you can open a live account. But if you're brand new to trading, guys, don't deposit a whole bunch of money into a trading account. I mean, when I first started, I would deposit like $100, the most like 500. I probably blew like 12 counts in a row. I knew I was getting better when it started taking me longer to blow the account, And then finally it just clicked. But I went about it wrong, man. I was going through all these different fake gurus and learning all kinds of, learning Fibonacci, trap can, all these methods. Like they're just one after. If you watch YouTube, it's one after the other, man. You just got to find one simple way to trade that you like, that suits you, and just stick with it and master it, man. That's it. If you're profitable, you're good, man. This is a profitable way to trade. It took me a few years to figure this out, but I figured this out on my own. I stumbled on these indicators, which are free. I'll put the link below too, or the name of them below. And you can get the indicators. They're not my indicators. I don't have nothing to do with them, guys. I'm not an affiliate. One of them is a paid indicator, but I use the free version. Okay, I'm not an affiliate. I don't even know what's in the paid version. The free version has been working fine for me. All right, so this is US 30. All right, we took this trade Wednesday, right? Today's Thursday. It's Thursday night. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. Tomorrow's Friday. So here's the trade. I'm going to go through it right now. Okay, we took a buy on US 30 right here. We got in right here. See, it came down and started consolidating a little. I guessed that it was going to go long, so I took a buy. It went against me. It came down right here. Over here, you see like how it started leaving a wick. There was a zone here, but it's gone now because the candles erased it. It was one of these zones, a little one. So I took a buy here. Okay, it went up 25 pips. I closed. As soon as this trade turns into profit, I always close this one. So I put 25 pips in the bank. Now, the reason why I always close that, this is a perfect example. As soon as it got up here and I closed, it fell again. Okay, this is the 5 minute. Now, I'm trading on the 1 minute, so the candles look different. But we got in right here. There was a zone here. I was waiting for it. We entered a buy here. It went against me again. I took a buy here. I told everybody, okay, let's watch what happens now, guys. It started reversing. I knew it was going to reverse. I didn't know. I just, it's like new, it's just like you just sense it. You watch these charts so long, you start to figure out what they're going to do. So it reversed, right? I grabbed 56 pips here. I closed it as soon as this trade turned profitable. I closed this one for 56 pips. Now, this one's closed. I'm in this one. This one went right up. Boom. Another 65 pips. I closed as soon as it entered this box. This trade went all the way to take profit. 65 pips for a total of 211 pips. Okay, guys? No stop loss. Small lot size. No sweat. As a matter of fact, I think we took this win on the screen. We were in these trades, and then I ended the stream and I put the results in the Facebook. Every time I close a trade, I post it in our Facebook group, or if I, sometimes I put signals in there, So I'll put the Facebook group link below here too, guys. Join the Facebook group, man. It's free signals, updates on the trades we took in the morning, stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to improve all this soon. I want to make a signal group. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to use what platform I want to use, it's the easiest, because I'm a caveman, the easiest for me, and I can get the signals to everybody quick. With signals, you got to get them quick, man. If you don't get them quick, then they become invalid, So that's the deal, guys. This is 211 pips, and that's how we trade. We trade zone to zone, and we've been killing. You saw the win rate, 98% win rate. And anybody who's trading with me, guys, when I do open the signal group, okay, I'm going to put if you're trading on the me and Hanko trade, right? The first 25 people that trade with me on the on the me and Hanko trade are going to get in the signal group for free. It's going to be a paid signal group. It's not going to be expensive, but I want to get something for running it. And you get in for free. The first 25 people. If you're trading on the me and Hanko trade, that's good enough for me. All right, guys. So that's the deal, guys. I hope you like, 98% win rate, guys. I trade live every day. You'll see these guys, they're charging $1,000 for courses. They never jump on here and make a live, trade live, man. Very few of them will. There are some that will, and those are the real ones, man. These other guys are phonies, man. They just show you videos of a trade they won yesterday, Well, I do this live every morning. All right, guys, let me show you now. We are in a NAS trade now. Let's see where it is. Shrink it up a little. Coming into profit. It's the same situation. I closed 39 pips here already. And we came down. We're coming into profit now. We're working our way down. But this trade is still live. I'm expecting it to reverse all the way back down. But we'll manage it. You know, we manage it in the Facebook group. So anyway, guys, just want to introduce myself, man. Bobby K. K's Pip Syndicate. All right. You guys have a great 4th of July, man. God bless you guys. Have a great night. And thanks for watching the video, man. Come join us, man. You know, come join us, man. I want to grow the channel. I want to show people how to do this, man. I wasted so much time with Fibonacci and all this crazy stuff, trap can, all these crazy techniques, man. And the truth of the matter is, man, that it's a lot easier, man. You know, it can be a lot easier than that, man. There's no need for all that, man. I'll tell you the truth. I don't know if these guys even realize that themselves, these fake gurus. But anyway, guys, I'm here to show you how I do it. You may like it, you may not. There's no charge. I'm not selling anything. Come join us, man. All I want is a like and a subscribe. And I appreciate you, man. So with that, cheers, guys. Have a great holiday.